How can I prevent my car radio from draining the battery?
Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing a common issue many car owners face: car radios draining the battery. We'll provide you with some useful tips and tricks to prevent this from happening. So, let's dive right in.
Is your car radio the culprit?
Before we jump into preventive measures, it's important to determine if your car radio is indeed causing the battery drain. One way to confirm this is by performing a simple test. Disconnect your car radio's power supply and see if the battery drain issue persists. If it doesn't, then your car radio might be the culprit. If the drain persists, there could be another underlying issue, and you should consult a professional.
Check for wiring issues.
One common cause of car radio battery drain is faulty or incorrect wiring. Inspect the wiring connections for any loose or damaged wires. Ensure that the wiring harness is properly connected and that there are no exposed wires. If you notice any issues, consult a professional or a car audio specialist to resolve the wiring problems.
Optimize your car radio settings.
Some car radios have settings that can contribute to excessive battery drain. Check if your radio has a "Keep Alive" feature that allows it to retain certain settings even when the car is turned off. If this feature is enabled, it may be draining your battery. Disable it or adjust the settings to minimize power consumption. Additionally, turn off any unnecessary features such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or automatic seek modes when not in use. These features can consume power even when the car is off. By disabling them, you can significantly reduce the battery drain caused by your car radio.
Consider using a power switch.
Installing a power switch for your car radio is another effective solution. This switch allows you to completely cut off power to the radio when it's not in use, preventing any battery drain. You can simply turn the switch off when leaving your vehicle and turn it back on when you're ready to use the radio again.
Install a separate switched power source.
If you prefer a more automated solution, you can install a separate switched power source for your car radio. This involves connecting the radio to a power source that only receives power when the ignition is turned on. By doing so, the radio will only have power when the car is running, minimizing the risk of draining the battery. And there you have it. By following these tips and tricks, you can prevent your car radio from draining the battery. Remember to check for wiring issues, optimize your radio settings, and consider using a power switch or separate switched power source. If the issue persists, it's always a good idea to consult a professional for further assistance. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Drive safe, and we'll see you next time.